I think that's better. Yeah, I can turn it up just a little bit more too. There we go. A little bit down. Welcome to the current Coding Things IRL stream. My name is Adam. I call this channel Coding Things IRL because that is what I do, and that is what we are doing today. But mostly it's just deploying things IRL today. We are deploying not only our game, which we have dubbed Brite PEGS, but we are also deploying, or we also deployed, actually, our Coding Things IRL website. Let's take a look at that right now. So here it is. There's not much to it. We made it simple. We made it work. Now if you notice, something missing here. What could it be? Okay, well obviously we need that to go to a game. So once we do that, then we'll be good to go. So I don't know if I said this already. I'll go ahead and say it now. If you're new around here, my name is Adam. This channel is called Coding Things IRL because that is what I do, and that's what I love doing. I think I did already say that. I think I already said that. It's been a long day. It has been a very long day, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna publish this game. You guys are ready to play it. I know. Mushroom Cow, you've been here all day, and I think that chat needs to be reconnected, so I'm gonna hit you guys up. Hold on. Alright, so content, live, control room, and the chat. Pop out the chat. Yeah, sorry about that. I was cleaning and I tripped my router, so no emergency, false alarm, sorry about that. Alright, it looks like we're so back with the chat, so that's good. Alright, so I've decided what we're going to do is we're going to deploy the API to a separate instance. Nope, I changed my mind just right then. No, cool guy, you're not late. We got codingthingsirl.com live right now. You can go to it if you want. There's not much on it. Here it is right here. And we're going to be adding more, but mainly right now, what we're going to be adding is our game. Okay, so I'll be honest, I've never deployed this type of app before, so it's going to take a little bit of figuring out for my part. But I think what we're going to do is we'll have an API domain or an API subdomain for the game, which will be the API. It'll be resting on the same server. What is this? Use a keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. What is that? Is the stream weird? Is there something weird about the stream? Let's see. I wonder if there's something for me to adjust on that. I don't know. Alright, so it said keyframe intervals. So that's output, I think. The only thing that I changed earlier was I changed this from 160, but I'll change it back to 160. Maybe it'll like that more. Let's see. Really? Is this cursed? Is this stream cursed? Do I have to do another stream? I think I might have to do another stream. We can't have a cursed stream. Here, I'm gonna go look and see if it fails for me. No, it looks good for me. Let's go. All right. So I'm gonna do ChatGPT for this. I'm gonna do heavy ChatGPT. All right. So this list of steps would be good, but I think what I want to do is actually just upload the entire thing and just say, how do I deploy this to my Amazon Linux instance? So let me do that. So I want to go into the Brite Lite full stack, now called Brite PEGS. Pretty cool. I want to go reveal and explore. And I want to find all these files right here. And I'm going to zip up everything except for node modules. I hope that ChatGPT can handle zip files. I don't know that it can. I've never tried it. Let's try it. Alright, this is going to be Brite PEGS. Alright. It looks like it might take it a minute to upload. It could be a problem. I think that all we really need to do... Let's see. I'm thinking about this. I mean, I guess I can just let this go here. It doesn't look like it's moving, but it might just be a broken interface. Okay. Alright, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this, start a new notepad. Oh my god, I have so many up. Now would be a good time to freaking close some. Alright, so this is my package JSON. God, I can't spell. There we go. And there's no capital P. Oh man, what's going on with my fingers? I gotta get adjusted here. I'm not used to being in this workstation. This is my package JSON. Package. And what else do we want? Okay. Alright, and then I think the only other thing that I need is the index.js. And I think this is enough to describe to it what it does. Okay, now I'll prompt it like this. Consider the following package.json, index.js. I'll do it in the same way. Index.html and index.js taken from my Express.js Mongoose 3.js project. How can I deploy this to my existing Amazon EC2 Linux instance running? I think it's EC2 Ubuntu instance running Apache 2 with PHP. That's not, I'm not going to say with PHP. PHP is not relevant here. I don't think. I could be here. Alright. So that is my question to ChatGPT. And I got to copy the whole thing. Alright, let's see what we end up getting. Okay, we typed all that out, but this is actually uploaded now. So how can I deploy? Yeah, here. I'll just do a modified version. Let's see. Did I just? Yeah, okay. All right, so I'll do CD attached zip CD attached express. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Proxy HTTP, reverse proxy. Okay. Everything except for this. This, I'm gonna say use GitHub to upload the project. I don't know why I do this. We already have a list of steps that I'm sure will work. It's just not 100%. And I think I just burned through this. I don't know the frequency. It doesn't seem to be. It doesn't like me right now. But alright, this is basically the list of steps. The only thing that we have to do is, instead of using SCP and generating a PEM file, we just have to use GitHub to push it to our EC2 instance. Simple, right, guys? What do you think? No, you're not late. Cool guy. We we were going a lot earlier and we deployed the website, but you're not late. We're just going really long today. Sorry, I just gotta text my wife. She's supposed to be coming home anytime now, and I'm in the house today. This is just it repeating the stuff that it said earlier. So I'm not really too worried about it. Excuse me, by the way. I burped. Alright, let's do something here. So I gotta get over to this view right here so I can pull up my EC2 instance. That way I don't flash my public IP, which I don't know. I don't know if that was been visible yet. It's not as big of a deal because you can just get it from ctirl.com. But I don't know if there's anything else that shouldn't be seen from the Amazon EC2 console. So I'm going to stay on this view for just a second until I pull the SSH terminal up. Alright, we can connect. Connect! Alright, I think we're good. Oh. Okay, if you've never seen it before, this is what... Alright, my brother. Now, don't break my website now. Don't break my website. I'm just kidding. On the real, though, it is experimental into the technology. So, if you don't have a GPU, I don't know how it's going to work. I don't know how it's going to work. In theory, it should work fine. Like, it works on my phone. No, wait, I never tried it on my phone. Anyway, I hope it works, guys. Nah, I'm sure it'll be fine. If nothing else, you can... Nah, never mind. We'll see what we can do. I'm not going to leave you guys hanging with a version that you can't play. If it's too intense for y'all, just let me know. And we'll get a pared down instance. It won't look as good, but it should. Or maybe we'll optimize it. Anyway, it doesn't matter. You're using it on your phone? Yeah, that'd be an interesting test, honestly. To be honest, Mushroom, I don't think you'll be able to use it on your phone because it's bound by click events. I'll have to make you a special mobile version. Yeah. I'll have to make you a special mobile version. I don't know. Click events might fire. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. That's interesting. Alright, so what we need to do right now is create a new site here. It's going to be britepegs.com. Oops, mkdir. mkdir. Okay. Then we need to initialize a GitHub repo in here for the Brite PEGS game. Okay, so let's cd into here. I mean, we don't have to cd into here, so I'm not going to. So let's do sudo gh repo clone Adam Dale Church, that's me, slash Brite Lite full stack. Slash Brite Lite full stack, I think. Alright, here it comes. That's the whole project, just like that. Okay, we're gonna need a lot more than this. I'm going to refer to ChatGPT, but first I just want to point the domain to this website. Also turn down this music. For some reason it just feels like it got loud all of a sudden. I think it happens when I get overwhelmed, which happens quite a lot. Sometimes I get overwhelmed. That's alright. Okay. So, we made the directory, we cloned the repo, and the next thing we need to do... I mean, we don't need to do it. Actually, technically... Technically, this is live. Technically, you can come here right now and play this game. I don't think it's readily accessible, but let's make it accessible. I'd like for you guys to not play the game until the database is ready, because I'd like you to be able to share these. But yeah, I'll just keep the link off of the website until it's done. Don't worry, it won't be long. I promise you. It won't be long. Alright. But I do need to point the domain to this server. So let me switch over so I can log into my GoDaddy account safely. You don't see my little domains and stuff. Okay. There's me. Going into my GoDaddy. They'll give you the blow-by-blow. Okay. Now, earlier, when I just randomly decided that we'd call the game Brite PEGS, I randomly looked on GoDaddy, and there's nothing called Brite PEGS. So I purchased the domain. And so britepegs.com is ours. Just trying to figure out where it is in the... Where's my domains? There you go, my products. Okay. I accidentally went to their main website. Okay. britepegs.com is the website that I purchased. So the domain is parked, and I know that it takes a second for it to switch over to the instance IP. So we want to get that going as quickly as possible so that we can make sure that it's going to work properly. But I don't think that we actually need the domain for the app to work. The way that ChatGPT is setting it up is with a proxy. So it's just going to basically just be pinging to itself, which is sweet. It actually makes it super simple on us. Okay, so domain, manage the DNS is what I'm doing. It says it's only worth below $100. Yeah. Okay, and then this instance, what are we doing? I have a different domain. So I'll just copy the IP from there. Little domain called codingthingsirl.com. Maybe you've heard of it. Maybe you've heard of it. I have 5 free DNS SEC credits available. What is that? What is that? What is that? Seriously, what is that? Just take me to the DNS. Where's the DNS? What is this? That is not the DNS. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oof. Good lord. There's a whole other page called DNS other than the actual DNS on GoDaddy. Hey guys, don't you think that'll be confusing? No. What is this? Oh, okay. I have to change the value, not the name. Okay. Boom. Boom. Okay, so the, I guess I will... Hey, what's up, oranges? Oh, yeah, you scared me. You didn't get a message for part one, probably because it happened in early this morning. So that could be it. Could be that it wasn't promoted. Could be that I was shadow banned by the shadow government. I don't know, dude. I don't know. But we're here now. We're deploying this game. It's going to be sweet. We got codingthingSIRL.com up earlier in the first part of the stream. It took way too long. The only one that had the tolerance to bear with me the entire time was Mushroom Cow. And he even left to eat a couple of times, which is totally understandable. It was very boring and painful watching me struggle. But we went there. And we're here now. And we got the website up, which I'm super stoked about. And we're about to get the game up. And you're going to get to play it. Alright. I'm in a weird mood today. Alright. Close out of the GoDaddy stuff. Or not, I'm not gonna close out of it right now. I'm just gonna go, let's see, BritePEGS.com. Amazing. The DNS record updated. I know this doesn't look like the right website. It's not the right website. It's not the right website. No. No, it's we're almost there, guys. We are almost there. We're 30 minutes away. We're about 30 minutes away. 30 minutes. Give me 30 minutes, and I'm pretty sure you'll be playing this game, and you'll be able to save your stuff. And I just hope it doesn't crash on you all and be like terrible, because honestly, I've been running this game. I haven't tested it with not so good hardware, so you guys will be the experiment, I guess. Or this will be an experiment, whatever. All right. I just love that parallax, dude. I that was so worth all the struggle to make it. Okay. All right. Be honest with me. Is it too much rainbow colors for y'all? Because I'm about to add more rainbow to like right here. I'm gonna make it like RGBs on a computer. It's gonna be sick. It's going to be a cascading radial gradient. No, wait. A cascading conic gradient. You watch. You watch. A cascading conic gradient. You heard it here, folks. Anyway. Alright, let's get this actual website deployed. Alright, so what we want to do... You can't see it. Oh, Oh, my bad. Here it is. Okay, yeah. Thank you, Mushroom Cow. I forgot that I was still on my own face. Very selfishly. But no, okay, here it is. Thank you. It's like I have to communicate with the future. Or, yeah, like I'm in the past. Or maybe I'm in the future. That's it. I'm in the future and you guys are in the past. Or you guys are like 3 blocks. You guys are like 3 blocks behind me. And I'm like, hey. And it takes like forever for the word to get. I don't know, dude. What am I talking about? Let's get this thing deployed, right? Let's get it deployed already. Finally, right? Man, that typewriter effect is sick. All right. I'm so tired, you guys. I am so tired. Up till midnight. Up at 4. I'm only working on 4 hours of sleep. You guys. I need you to like the stream. Help me rejuvenate. Bring life back into my body. I need you to like the stream. I need you to send me all the emojis. Oh, I need the emojis. I need all the emojis. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm good. Is that right? We only got one concurrent viewer? No, because there's 3 of you. What kind of bunk is that? There's only 2? Alright. Okay. Let's go. Continue. Okay. Let's go. Oh, yeah, there's my public IP right there. So, if you ever wanted it, or the one for the server. All right. Some of this. Alright, so now we're going to go into ChatGPT and we're going to use its instructions from the, let's see, yeah, that looks good, right here. So not SCP, we did all that, we have our files up there right now. So connect to the instance. Okay, now we have to install Node.js. So we run sudo apt update, sudo apt install Node.js, and npm y to continue. Skip number 4. Do you see ChatGPT or do you see the instance? You do see the instance. Okay, cool. The blur behind the Lite Brite CTIRL is a bit small / too high, making the logos YT. Sure, that might not be much though. Yeah, I don't know. I'll take a look at that. I definitely plan on. I appreciate the feedback. First of all, second of all, I plan on changing a lot about that website, and I'll do it here on stream for you guys, so that you can get the Tailwind content and everything. Pretty sweet. All right, guys. So this is done. I'm gonna take a quick breather, and I'll be right back. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. All right, be right back, guys. Alright, let's continue. Alright, where we last left off, we just installed Node.js. Now we need to install the dependencies for the project. There aren't very many. This shouldn't take very long. Whoops. What has happened? I think I just messed this up. Oh, here we go. Okay. Alright, so we need to do sudo npm install. I think this is going to need a refresh or something. It's not moving. I think it's unsafe to use this console like this. So let's refresh it. Alright. Now we're here. I'm going to do sudo su so that I don't keep forgetting sudo. Okay, now we got to go cd var www Brite PEGS.com. Alright, now we got to go npm install. That looks better. Yeah, sudo su. Those look like warnings. They don't look like errors. Yeah, warn. Warren Buffett. You know what I'm saying? Warn. Alright. So that's what that is. And I don't know. Let's think. Oh yeah, back to ChatGPT. Sorry, very tired today because of only 4 hours of sleep, and I'm almost on my 12th hour of being awake. So there you go. Good stuff, right? Okay. There we go. We did npm install. Right here is where we're at. So we're on number 6. So this says install Apache 2, but I don't think we need that. I think we need an2 mod proxy. Let's see if we can just do that. Okay. Next, proxy HTTP. Okay, perfect. And then we restart. Perfect. I am working off ChatGPT, by the way. This is, you know, just to save time and everything. I don't want to sit here and try to guess. Alright, now it's having us create a conf file. Here, let me rename it to something else. .com.conf, just to go with the other ones. Okay, paste. And this is what it's giving me to paste in here. That looks swell to me. Alright. The only thing is that the directory is britepegs.com. And this one also britepegs.com. And that looks good to me. Is there anything else? No, that's fine. Save the modified buffer. Sites available. Yeah, whatever, that's fine. Okay. Save modified buffer. I usually just put them in, I usually just put them in sites enabled. I'm gonna just do that. I'm gonna do what I normally do. I'm gonna do it different than this, because A2 dis site, because all that's doing is enabling the site. I've done that before. I'm not doing that. Yeah. I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna go off script here. So what I want to do is I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna make a new command, and I realize now that you can't see this, so I apologize. But you can see me copying this, and then I'm typing in sudo. Actually, don't need sudo anymore. MV, and then we're gonna move the conf file from its current location to sites enabled. Alright, and that's there. And now we'll restart Apache. And that should be it as far as getting the website viewable. Let's see. No, it's not. It's not. Yeah, I have to do this A2N site, which I don't feel like I did that with codingthingSIRL.com. I must have done that in a previous session, because I didn't do it last time. It's the only explanation. So A2N site, and it's britepegs.com.conf, but I'm going to use the fully qualified path since I already just have it right above it. So we'll do that. Where's the instance? There it is. And we'll paste that in there. Ooh. What? I said .com.conf. What the heck? Sites available. Alright, let's go into that and see what that is. Okay, so copy that and say nano. Paste. Oops. Dang it. Yeah. Oh, it's not there? Should be sites enabled, right? Yeah, okay. They're... Sorry, guys. Super sleepy. Alright, there we go. What's going on? What's going on? What is that? That's not even the right thing. Hold on. Nano. Okay, whatever. There we go. Alright, finally. All good, all good. That looks fine. That whole thing looks fine. I'm confused. Okay, so where am I? I'm in var. I'm not sure what is going on. So see slash sites enabled. Why is it saying that BritePegs.com doesn't exist? It's really weird. Okay, well, okay. I'm gonna do this then. Let me switch the move around. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna do what... Let's see. Let's do this. So let's just remove that and let's just start over. Alright, so we're removing this one. That looked like it worked. And then we're gonna nano another one. We're basically just gonna start from where we left off in ChatGPT. To be fair, it does seem like where we strayed is where it went wrong. So, yeah. About right here. Paste that. And I'm creating this file. And then here I do have to stray a little bit. Hopefully not too much. BritePegs.com and .com. BritePegs.com. Okay. What else? I think that's it. All right. So, all this stuff. Okay, that worked that time. It's already disabled. I thought so, but whatever. I just don't want to take any more chances of straying. Okay. Alright, so we need to install permanents. So we're doing that. Okay. And then PM2 start, but it's not that. I believe it's index right where we are. So let's go ls. And index.js is what we want to do. So let's take this and modify it slightly to just be only simply index.js. Alright, that looks like it took. So now let's run the next one, PM2 startup. And PM2 save. Your application should now be accessible through your domain. Not quite. Not quite. Let's see what's going on. Yeah. First thing I want to do really is just see what's in this. Like maybe I actually have this code here. Maybe I accidentally copied the wrong code somehow. But yeah. So back over here. By the way, I don't even know which screen you guys are seeing. I have like all these Chrome windows open. Okay, it's this. It's not this one. Okay, it's this one. Alright, sweet. It's like a main one. Let me close all the other ones. Bring in the ChatGPTs with me. I think we're done with GoDaddy. It's pointing to the server for sure. Alright, so there's the ChatGPT. Yeah, there's a lot I want to change about that website for sure, my brother. Alright, so here we go. We're at britepegs.com. And the first thing I'm going to do is just check and see what's in here. Index, models. This is the right project. Alright, so the problem must be in the configuration. So let's go cd etc apache 2 cd sites enabled, and we'll ls that. And first thing I see is britepegs.conf. I see a lot of other stuff here that's kind of weird, but whatever. Alright, so let's nano britepegs.conf. Oops. Cancel. No. Is there anything in here? Oh, I said Brite pegs. There we go. So this is supposed to be var www.britepegs.com. The directory is var www.britepegs.com. Pretty weird. Let's see what it looks like on my phone. Spelled it wrong there too. This is telling me that the service is unavailable. Hey, what's up, Pythonic Serpent? Hey. We're deploying this thing. Sudo systemctl apache 2 restart. Reload Apache, maybe? Can't read that anymore. Today it's going great, man. We are deploying. Alright. Sudo apache 2 restart. I have it on here. Hold on. Keyboard. That's it. Sudo systemctl reload Apache. Have I had any major errors, anything like that? No, it's just kind of been very particular about stuff. What you coding? So right now it's my Lite game. I do want to get it shown. Yeah, let me get it shown. So I'll come in here and I'll run node on index.js so that you can see it. Connect it to MongoDB, and we'll pull up an existing image so I don't have to draw one. We'll get a better one than that. That's A24. This one's, what is FD2? Okay, yeah, we can do better than FD2. A24 and FD2 are pretty terrible. BD2. What's BD2? Aha, this is one my wife did. This is a nigiri sushi. And so, yeah, this is a Lite game. Brite is a children's game where you take little pegs, little transparent pegs, you plug them into a board, and there's a backlight behind it. So, yeah, you can make all these different shapes. Pretty sweet. Yeah, I've tried everything for the delay. I don't know what to do about it. It's, yeah, it has been about 7 hours. Yeah, it's been a long, you know, I'm just going slow and I want to deploy this or whatever. There are parts of it using TypeScript. Well, no. The Coding Things IRL website uses TypeScript, ironically. Not this. This one's all JavaScript. Shoulda went TypeScript. Shoulda went TypeScript. I mentioned several times on stream that I shoulda went TypeScript. Yeah. Well, I'm glad you enjoy yourself. Okay, so yeah, let's get back to yeah, it goes in and out. I don't know, dude. It sucks. It sucks. But whatever. Deal with what you can. I'll see about fixing my network stuff. I'm pretty sure it's on my end. I'm pretty sure that it's something shoddy with my internet. It's just like bad dropped packets and stuff. I don't know, dude. I'll have to look into it for real. Maybe I'll do a stream where I fix my internet. That'd be good. That'll be my next stream, fixing my internet. All right. So we're going back and we're deploying this. We just restarted Apache. I think my persistent node module stopped running. I don't know much about that, but I'm gonna try to get it going again. But I want to check and see if it's running first, because I would hate to like spawn a bunch of these instances of these things and then I can't. And like, well, you know, and then I forget about them and they destroy the universe or something. I don't know. Alright, so I'm looking for it. Here we go. So we do PM2. Let's just run PM2 -- help. Oh, that was a mistake. All right, well, I'll ask good old ChatGPT. How can I kill my existing PM2 instances? All right, so I go PM2 list according to ChatGPT to get all of my instances. So PM2 list. Okay, we have one instance and it is online. So I'm not sure if I need to. I'm not sure if I need to do anything with that. Right. Here, so should be going to this website and seeing not my website. This should be the game at this point. I'm surprised that it is not. I'm surprised. So I restarted Apache, and let's see. Okay, here's what I'll do. I'm going to copy my configuration file, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT some more. That's what I'll do at first, and if that doesn't work, we'll figure out what to do from there. Pythonic Serpent. I had a piece of code that I was supposed to generate about using purling noise for 60 times, but instead of putting 8x8, I put 8x888, and I was trying to figure out why it was taking so long for 30 minutes. That's pretty funny. To be fair, it could have gone a lot worse. It could have gone a lot worse. But, I mean, I imagine that you would have picked up on it at the same time. 30 minutes. Alright. So none of this is the issue. I think the issue is with our configuration. So I want to take the configuration. So nano Brite PEGS .conf, and I'll copy this. I'm seeing the wrong content on my site. Is there anything wrong with the conf? Ensure that the Node.js application is running. What happens if it's not? I wonder. What happens if it's not? I wonder if I'm redirecting at some point for some reason. Let's do this. Hey bro, you speaking my language. That's what's up, bro. We're deploying this right now. Okay. So not a lot of information there from the old ChatGPT. We do want to try restarting. That would be smart, right? Thank you. Thank you, Monas. Mwansa. I think that's how you say that. Mwansa. Thank you. Okay, so I still don't know why this is showing up for the website. Just pause the stream a couple of times. Alright, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drop the quality here. I think. Yeah, hold on. I'll be right back, you guys. Don't go anywhere. The stream's going to cut out, but then I'll be right back, okay? Hold on. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. This stream, right? Alright. And we're back. As promised. Do you notice anything different? Do you notice anything different? The code is blurry. Here, let me make it bigger. I just have to make it bigger. That's all. I just gotta make it bigger is all. It's not a big deal. It's a bit clearer. That's good. Alright, one second, y'all. Sorry about that, you guys. Yeah, we'll be open sourcing the repository by the end of the day. Alright, sorry about that. Okay. Yeah, we'll be open sourcing things by the end of the day. And, man, I could actually use some help on some of this stuff, to be honest, because I got a couple of other projects that I'll be needing to focus on pretty soon. There's some stuff about it on my channel. Sorry, guys. Just like Mushroom mentioned earlier, I've been up for straight, like, a long time. Just a long time. Almost ready to be done. Or I am ready to be done. You know what I mean? But I don't know what's going on here. This is bothering me. Alright, so I restarted the website. Still the same website. I have a thought on this, actually. I don't think that my main site is tied to a domain. And I think it might be overtaking this one. Let me check and see. Alright, let me close out of these. But yeah, this is a big bummer. Hopefully I'll get it figured out. Alright, so it's going to be, we're in sites enabled, so let's ls. And the one that we're dealing with that I think is getting in the way right now, where is the configuration for codingthingsirl.com. You see it? Did I break the website? No, I did not. Where is it? I must be in the wrong place. I must have put it in sites available. I think that's the real conf right there. Maybe. Where's the Coding Things IRL one? I don't see it. I really don't see it. One of these configurations somewhere is pointing to this codingthingsirl.com. Which one is it? I thought all the ones in sites enabled were the ones that we were dealing with, right? But the problem with that is I don't see the one I'm looking for. We'll have to open them up and see which one it is. So let's try nano-basedphp.com/lessl.conf. There's one too many L's there. Hope that's an L. Nope. There we go. Man, when this thing jumps, it's unusable. Right there, it's unusable. Maybe I can make that bigger, actually. Okay, what am I supposed to do with that? Here, I can think of one thing here. I'll just move it off of here. Copy that. Move it into here. Get the dot, remove the S, and then get that nonsense. I don't know where I'm pasting to. Alright, this one actually points to base PHP. That's not the one we're looking for. What else do we have? We got nanoadamdchurch.com, lessl.conf. Alright, this is it. This is codingthingsirl.com for some reason. So can I break this? Can I break codingthingsirl.com? Whoops, I can break it. I'll leave it broken for a little bit so you can go there and see that it's broken. Or something, I don't know. Alright, so what's BritePEGS.com doing then? Same thing. So they're both looking at this same one here. This one is the default for whatever reason. That's not what we want. What about base PHP? That one's okay. So in theory, we could take base PHP and we could copy it and it would work in theory. But what we really need to do is figure out why this is happening, because it's not cool. All right, but I'm glad that we did figure it out. Okay, so let's nano that. I'm gonna fix it real quick. Hopefully you've had a chance to go and do it, but it's giving me anxiety that it's broken. There we go. All is right with the world. Oh, that's annoying. Alright, so what do we got? Sudo system control on LE. Yeah, this is where we want to be. Oh, ChatGPT. Yeah, I'll ChatGPT this again. That's not it. Hold on. And what's the name of it? So that is what I'll copy from there. And I'll paste that as this. Colon like that. Wow, it's more complicated than I thought. I don't really want to do that, actually. Okay, hold on. Why is it bringing me through this right now? Because I don't... this is not... Let me go up, because maybe it gave me an answer for the other one, and I just kind of was too quick. Let's see. I don't know. The server alias? No. No, it's not right. That's not correct. That is not correct. Maybe that is correct. Who knows? I want to assume. Alright, so... sites enabled. So ls... I can't read anything. There we go. I mean, let's see. Nano Brite PEGS.conf, right? Yeah. I don't have a server alias here, so that's what it said, right? I just need a server alias. Server name and server alias. So server name and server. I think I had server name. Let me double check. I don't want to waste a whole bunch of time. You know what I mean? A whole heap of time. Alright, so I need server name. So I go into here. Yeah. None of that. I do have server name and I do have server alias. So what? God, that's so annoying. Okay, restart Apache. And it's the same thing. Alright, very temporarily, AI programming. Sort of. Right now I'm publishing my game. I'm using ChatGPT to help me casually. This is my game. It is a Lite Brite game. Right now it's a little bit too bright. Or wait, no, it's too light and not enough bright. I don't know. I think I'm gonna make a light meter to where you can change the light. You know, like you build it with the light on, and then you can turn the light off, and then it'll glow. It'll be pretty sweet. But we're trying to get this published right now. We've been at it for quite a while. We made codingthingsirl.com earlier. I'm probably going to break it here in a second. But, yeah. We're just moving right along. This is the first major project that we've published. Yeah. Sorry for the delay. Thank you, Monday, for saying it's cool. I know you get a bad rap, but you're alright in my book, Monday. Okay. I'm trying to figure out why this other configuration file is overtaking this one. It's apparently overtaking this one. It's being a pest, you know? It's being a pest. So what do we got? No, that didn't work. Okay. Anything else from ChatGPT that might be helpful? Right, here it is. Proxy requests off. Yeah, I feel like it's, I feel like I have an idea. Let's just go and let's try to ping a different URL. Like this one. Now it's telling me that it was not found. So when I go to britepegs.com, oops, just like that, it takes me to, or it shows me, serves me content from Coding Things IRL. But if I type in / anything, what happens if I type Coding Things IRL / something? Also not found. Alright. Okay. It's supposed to be found, that's for sure. Let's add that information to ChatGPT. Okay, so let's go back over here to this conversation. Oh, it's thinking about something. I think it's... Oh. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be working. I gotta make it do something that's going to give me some clues. So let me go in and edit at index.js. Hopefully I can do that. I might have to restart my PM2 instance or something. Actually, no. You don't hit the you don't hit the index.js first. You hit the index HTML first. Maybe it doesn't know that. I'm gonna re-upload this. Project. I don't think this is working very well, to be honest. I think I'm gonna have to use my own brain for this. Alright, well, my own brain says that this, if this were to go away right now, perhaps perhaps this would be a little bit better. So, oh my God, can't read anything. Okay, I was able to save it without reading it. So now I'll nano it. Actually, no, I'll just simply remove it. So we'll remove this one. Thanks for stopping by, Python. Alright, so we're going to have to... What are we going to have to do, guys? Sorry, this is the time of day that my medicine wears off and my ADD really kicks in. So this is the dirging and slow part of this. Might be fun to watch, actually. I don't know. Yeah, this is AWS. All right. Yeah. So let's go ahead and remove this. rm-admdchurch.com/le-ssl.conf. Okay. And now codingthingsirl.com. That's still live. BritePEGS.com. Still pointing here. Let's do a restart for Apache. So now codingthingsirl.com is pointing to based PHP. Something is very wrong here, as you can see. It looks like I'm only able to have one site up at a time. Is that right? So we're up at based PHP right now. But based PHP was able to run freely concurrently with my other website. So let's see. Now what's at britepegs.com? britepegs.com is also based PHP. Okay, good to know. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. Here's what I think we're going to do. And, well, we are going to do. I think it's going to work. So we'll nano the underscore BAK1. Make a small benign change to it. Because it's not the issue in and of itself. But the answer is in base PHP. So we're going to save this as its original name. I think. I can't really read that. Once again. Okay. Let's see. Still nothing. But this is pointing back to codingthingsirl.com. That's good. And so is codingthingsirl. And then more importantly, our basephp.com website is still completely fine. So, oh, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Okay. What else? Okay, so I want to take a look at this based PHP. And see what's going on. So, let's see. This configuration. First, I want to correctly identify where this configuration is by breaking it. Actually, first, I want to rename this to what it actually is. No. First, I want to do what I said. I'm going to break base PHP because I'm prioritizing doing this. Where is base PHP? I assume that it's this. The heck? Oh, for the love of God. nano-basedphp.com le.ssl.ssl.conf. Okay. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna break this guy. I don't think I already broke this one. I broke a different one. Alright. And then I'll have to restart good old Apache. And let's see. Base PHP. Are you broken? Yeah, it's broken. Alright, great. So now we know where it is. Let's fix it. Doesn't get a lot of traffic though, so don't worry about it. Fix it. Yeah, and then my brain will take me where we need to go next. Yeah. All we have to do is remove the C. Might seem a little tedious, but verify that it's fixed. Get rid of some of these freaking tabs. Oh, thanks for the subs, guys. That's super sweet. Nice. 7 people watching. That's what's up. I appreciate you guys. We're almost done publishing this game. It's taking longer than I thought, but whatever. We're gonna do it. Don't worry. Alright. My first time publishing something like this, so I don't think I mentioned that. Yeah. Oh well. Where are we at? Like physically, where are we at? I don't even know. About to start drinking. I just got really mad at my brother for bothering me. He looked at my message, like that I read his message, and he was like, "I saw that you read his message," and I was like, anyway. All right, sorry, zoned out for a second. Base PHP is what we need to reference, so let's go into it. Okay, do you see the rewrite rule down there? Alright, let me see what I can do about like copying the whole thing. Great if I could get a download, but whatever. This is the worst interface ever. Okay, so I'll have to copy it in piece. So copy there. You do Vim on here? Is this a Vim thing? Is this what Vim is for? Sudo vi all that crap. I want to type it. Is Vim going to be better for this? Paste as plain text. Well, it looks better. That's cool. And it's nicer so far. And it's not doing anything stupid so far. Could I... Okay, I don't know anything about what I'm doing. But it does look nicer. Okay, that's good. That's a good start, you know? And I can see that... Oh no, I can't see the whole file. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay, so highlight it, copy it, notepad, copy, if I get this done without falling asleep, it's going to be incredible. What is that? How does it even end up like that? How did I get, like... Okay. I see. I got it. Okay, so... I don't need to worry about that. Okay, so... Try to do this. It's like, please make it stop. Alright, so I'm going to run certbot. Sorry, it's okay. No, hold on. Okay. I'm gonna make this. All right. sudo nano britepegs.com.conf. Yes. Shift. The document root is wrong, but I would have figured that out pretty quickly. I'm gonna get rid of that. That actually might be part of what's causing me an issue. I don't need that right now. And then also, let me go back to that. Yeah, this interface is killing me. Okay, that's fine. Alright, so now we'll restart. Okay. Still this. That could be caching. Nope, not caching. We didn't enable the site. I forgot to enable the site. I get too excited. Alright, well, it wants me to put it in sites. I'm gonna follow this exact set of steps. No, I'm not. Hold on. Trying to figure out what's in my default, I wonder. You feel bad for me, yeah. It's just not every day. I just want to get this done. I need to get this done. Don't feel bad for me. I don't work as often as I don't work like this a lot. It's not healthy. Yeah, not healthy, but whatever. Gotta get it done. And we will eventually. I've been through this before. There's no reason to like dread it or whatever. And I'm sorry if it's like boring. And definitely for you, dude, you don't have to stick around for 8 hours. That's insane, dude. That's absolutely insane. But yeah, man. Alright, so we got Apache 2, we restarted, but we need to... I remember the command. I don't know why I keep having to look it up. Sudo a2 enmod, and it's going to be britepegs.com.conf. Then we got this again. And I think it needs to be in. I think it needs to be in sites enabled. What do you think? So let's try that here. So we'll go MV, paste that. Whatever, I'll just type it. etc Apache 2 sites enabled. It's what was it again? britepegs.com.conf, and we want to move it to the sites available. Yeah, stick to whatever is hard for you, you know, stay just at the edge. That's what I'd say. Stay just at the edge. Alright, so I'm doing MV to sites available. Look at that. I spelled Apache wrong. A there. A there. Alright, that looks successful. I didn't see any errors. And now let's try the AN2 mod. HUN mod, rather. All right, well, I'm stumped. So I followed ChatGPT up till now, basically. I followed ChatGPT up until now, and it's telling me that it's not available. So no problem. You're very welcome. Alright, so it's not available. What does that mean? It is available. I just want to make sure that I followed this pretty much the exact same way here. So we created that. It wanted me to create an LESS SSL, but I don't need to do that. I know that I don't need to do that right now. Okay? I know that I don't. Enabled. And it wanted me to make it in sites available. Then the HTTP configuration, I pasted it. I sure did. And then save the configuration file. The other one, yeah, I'm not doing that. Okay, and then I run this. Oh, it worked. I must have... Awesome, it worked. Okay, so... Is it gonna show me the content? Not yet. Okay. But the site is available. There it is. At www.britepegs.com. Okay. Almost there. So this is pointing me to www.britepegs.com. I may need an HT access or something. But no, I don't think that's it. Let's go into the configuration. It must not be matching the website, britepegs.com. Because if I just type this in... Okay, well, never mind. I think I might have had to do explicitly... We're getting an HTTP traffic redirect. That's what it is. That is what it is. So we have to explicitly type in HTTP Brite PEGS. This is what ChatGPT has been trying to tell me, and I didn't really understand. It has to be through HTTP, but it's working. There's more to add, though. The proxy stuff. Alright, so... Alright, here we go. So... LS, what was it called? Nano, let's do rm Brite PEGS.conf. Alright, let's restart and verify that it's still working. Looks good. Uncached. That looks good too. Okay, we're getting there. Now we're getting there. Now the clog has been unclogged. And we're moving right along. At a snake's pace rather than a snail's pace. Snakes and snails. I never fails. I don't know. I tried to do a poem. Water. Can't forget to drink water. Brain is mostly made of water. It provides cooling and conductivity. At the same time, is what computers haven't yet been able to harness. Cooling and conductivity at the same time. Water. Take a big drink of water and feel your brain relax, because it doesn't have to work as hard. Because the conductivity of water in your brain. I don't know. I'm just kidding. It's probably just dopamine. Okay. Let's get this done. I'm ready to get this done. Alright, so now we want to nano the actual one. I think I want to make sure that it's going to be the one that we're working with. So nano britepegs.com.conf. Okay, so we're going to break it just like we've done with the other ones. We want to be sure that we are working on the right file, and if we're not, man, we're going to have a bad time. Man, we're going to have a bad time. All right. Sudo system control restart Apache 2. That's the HTTPS one. http://britepegs.com. Did we restart? Because if we did, that's not good. And well, I'm glad we're testing, but that's not what we wanted. Okay, hold on. I'm seeing a restart on here. Maybe it ignores spaces. The other one, I messed it up. It's not even saved, so I'll be sure I mess it up good this time. Is that good that you don't engage in chat, Orange? I think it is. I think I know what you're saying. Okay, so Brite pegs. Brite pegs. Nano Brite pegs. I keep doing the same thing. Hold on. We're trying to break this. We're trying to break this is what we're trying to do. Okay, that's right. Yeah, I thought that's what you were saying. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. All right, so we're in the thick of it, man. We're gonna publish this game right now. We're gonna do it. All right, so Nano. All right, we have to check and see if it's not working anymore. And it's not. That means that we are in the right file. So now that we broke it, let's fix it. Okay, yeah. BritePegs.com. By the way, this game is live. It's been live for a little bit of time now. And you guys, I don't think you even noticed. But I'll just tell you right now, if you want to pre-play the game, if you want to pre-play Brite Pegs right now, you go to britepegs.com, http://britepegs.com /public/HTML, no wait, /index.html. Oh wait, whoops. No, I guess not. I guess you're gonna have to wait. I thought it would work. I'm sorry. I thought it would work. Alright, but it won't be long. It won't be long. I promise. It's coming now, though. Yeah. You guys want to know something? I had to wait 12 hours for the birth of my first daughter. 12 hours. 12 hours. Alright. My second one was like 5 hours. It was great. Yeah. Very close. Very close. Alright, but we are in the right file, and we just restored it. So all we need to do is add some of that proxy stuff into our this right here. None of that. Only this. This is all we need. Oh, man, I could go for a freaking hamburger. Sorry, that was random. Alright, so that's my feet stomping right now. Alright, so insert that. Proxy pass. It's not BritePegs, it's britepegs.com. Yes. The site's already enabled. Restart Apache. Service is down. It's a different thing. Where is the index.js? I get, or the index HTML? That would be a good question. I didn't mean to open that. That's gonna use up my resources. So Visual Studio Code. This index HTML. It's not. It is in public. It's just in public. /public. Okay, so let's do this. That's not the document root, though. Okay, I think I know what to do. Here we go. Yeah. All right, so... I'll just do the full qualified directory. Since it's right here, this needs to go to /public /index.html, and there is a and don't forget about the whatever. I hate it when I ask you to do something. It's like, it looks like you want to do this thing that you asked me to do. It's like, yes, of course. I just asked you to do it. Of course it looks like it. Does it look like it because I asked it? Imagine if you came up to somebody and you're like, hey, can you tell me what time it is? And they're just like, it looks like you want to know what time it is. It's like, yeah. Yeah, I want to know what time it is. Alright. What time is it? Is it Brite PEGS time? Oops. It's redirecting me. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna encrypt. I'm gonna freaking encrypt. I'm gonna do it. Alright, so we run certbot. I'll make this a little bigger. And you see right on there, britepegs.com is number 3. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. britepegs.com is live. The question is it fully live? Can we load the image yet? I don't think so. Bro using Apache like it's 2008. It works. Does its job. And you don't have to get locked into some crazy usage scheme. It's pretty, yeah. I don't know why I'm justifying myself to you. I just published my game. You can go play it if you want. Alright, so save. That doesn't work. I think it's because we're on HTTP though. It keeps redirecting me to HTTP. You can play this game and you can make shapes, but be warned, you cannot save yet. You cannot save. But yeah. Does work. BritePEGS.com. Okay. Alright, let's go into it. Why isn't it redirecting? Why isn't it redirecting? Anybody know? I don't know why I'm asking like that. I gotta get this fixed. Can't have this not working. You guys feel free to play this game. It doesn't do anything to the server. You just load the game. Mostly it'll just load on your desktop computer. Let me know how it goes on y'all's computers. Alright? Or phones or whatever. I don't even know. I haven't tested it on anything. And yet I'm releasing it. Probably a bad idea. Probably a bad idea. Alright. Let's see what we got. I believe we can RM this. I'm glad y'all like it. Yeah, play it up. And, yeah, enjoy. Alright, so take screenshots of the stuff y'all make and share it with me on Twitter or whatever. Discord. I have a Discord. You can hit me up on Discord. I'll start going there again. Haven't been keeping up with it, but whatever. Alright, I believe we want to remove this, but I think renaming it would be best. So let's nano that. Make a small benign change. And then we will, oh, I was supposed to rename it. Sorry. Can't freaking read this. Doesn't matter. I can code with the force. Alright, but now we want to remove that. I just want to make sure that that's in there, like... Oops. I'm glad that doesn't do anything. That would suck. I've got shaky fingers. Alright. I want to remove it still. Okay, yeah, the backup is there, so we're good to just remove it, so... Goodbye! Alright, now let's restart Apache. And make sure that this is still working. Nice, it's still working. But it's not redirecting. Okay, there it works. Okay. Alright, now that it's on SSL here, will the database calls work? No, they didn't work. Let's see what happens. So it's saying not found. Alright, so this is another ChatGPT thing. Let's go with this. We'll say Yeah, mod. I'm not the biggest, like, Linux guy. I'm not a Linux guy. I'll take any tips that you got, though, bro. But I do have ChatGPT here, though. It's pretty good at it. And, yeah. I want to use a HT access. Can we just use an HT access instead? I already have the follow sim links. I'm pretty sure this will work. Or do I have to enable the mod for it to work? Is that how it works? No, it does allow override. You are a code. Mod read write needs to be enabled. Yeah, well, no, the website is Next.js. Codingthingsirl.com is Next.js. This BritePEGS.com is Express.js and 3.js. Looks dope, dude. Yo, it looks dope. Sorry. You guys can go here and play this right now if you want. You can't save the game, though. And I'm not even going to advertise it right now. You can't save the game. I'm working on it. It's a rewrite issue, as Flubber said. Flubber4Lubber mentioned that it is a rewrite issue. He's correct. Sorry, this is my 9th or 10th or something hour of being on here. I'm just really tired. But yeah, BritePEGS.com, currently live. Super stoked about it, but whatever, who cares? Need to get the rewrite going. Fucking, excuse my language. All right. Brite pegs conf. Where the hell is it? Oh, it's a long one now. Okay, so we have to edit that. We have to ensure that allow override is set. And I'm pretty sure that the what is this? What the hell is this? What is that? That was freaky. Oh god, that was terrible. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm good now. Okay. What is that? Paste text. Yeah, that's messed up. That's messed up. Okay, so we need allow override on the public. Allow. See how it has allow override none? I think what is it? Allow override all? Yeah, we need to change that. Let's change it right now. Okay, so change it from allow override none to allow override all, like so. I find myself abstracting too much with Next.js. Everybody has that problem. Yeah, everybody does that, man. Everybody does that. Sometimes if you have like a timer and you code with a timer, I've seen people do that before. That at the end of that time they say, okay, if I'm not done with what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna just move on. I'm gonna force myself to move on. That's one way that you can discipline yourself to not get into that rut. I've tried it, but I can't get into habits easily. I just don't get into habits easily. I guess that means I am into my current habits too much. I'm too ensconced. Alright, so we did that. We gotta restart this. Okay, and now we gotta go cd. I don't have to cd, but I want to. www.cd Brite PEGS.com ls that, and then we want to nano.ht access, and then we were blessed with this bit of code right here. I believe that's it, right? I believe that's it. Right? Yeah. Okay, whatever. I think I do. I might have to have the other one. I'm gonna be able to modify that to redirect all HTTP traffic to HTTPS traffic. I don't think that's happening right now, but have I tried HTMX before? I've looked at it, but I didn't understand it. Yeah, I wasn't able to immediately get into it. For me, I mean, I'm so busy. It has to be something that's gonna be easy for me to understand. I'll just be honest. I'm dumb. I'm really dumb. But I get stuff done. I'm done, but I get stuff done. That's the frustrating thing for super smart people, is they feel like they're entitled. They feel like they're, just because they're super smart, that they should have something. But in reality, it's what you do, you know? If you're smart and you don't do anything, then you ain't worth anything. Alright. Alright. I was trying to talk and code at the same time. It didn't work. It didn't work. It did not work. That's not even the right thing. Cancel. 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 I can't read that. Alright, that's not the right thing. Is it the right thing? That's not, that's the configuration. Where's the HT access? This is the HT access. Okay, yeah. You subscribed? Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. That's super cool of you. Things aren't normally like this, by the way. They don't normally go this well. It wants me to put it behind /API. Is that what I really want to do? Hang on. We may have to do that. We may have to do that. You're drawing the Mona Lisa. My God. It will probably crash. Be careful, please. What is this? What is this? There's a raccoon in my backyard. Alright, so why are we getting 503? I know that it wants me to put it behind /API. Is that just going to be as simple as just, you know, changing the URL? I don't think I have the URL set at all. I have a proxy setup. Do I drink Monster? No. No. No Monster. I have ADD, and I take ADD medication. ADHD, to be precise. Alright, this is live, by the way. It's just you can't save yet. Wait a minute. This is HTTP. I haven't tested it on HTTPS. I'm sure it won't work, but it's worth a try. Save. Yeah, I didn't think it would work. Let me open this in it. So for this one, I'm getting not found. For /state, I get, or API /state, I get 503. So why would that be? I don't know. Let me look at that HT access again. This says ensure that other requests are served as static files. Okay, so that says not API, not /API. Are our requests going /API? I'm wondering. So when I click save here, I'm filtering on image. Do XHR fetch instead. And then if I open that up, we see britepegs.com/state. Okay. Do you feel like mental problems, ADHD, and oh yeah. I don't even think it's real. Probably don't quote me on that. That's probably not something I should be saying. I just realized I look really stupid. My like mouth hanging open and stuff. I'm sure you guys don't care. I didn't change anything, did I? No, I didn't change anything. No. That's cool, brother. You gotta do what you gotta do, you know what I mean? You gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, I don't know why it keeps doing that. I think the answer is there. Almost, except... Yeah. Interesting. Okay, so this is probably not the right approach. But this will give me an idea of what the right approach would be. So let me just delete all this junk. I don't think that explicitly excluding certain routes as files is the right way to go. There's got to be a more ubiquitous approach, and I think putting it behind /API is the right thing to do. I think that's why people do that, actually. But alright, we should at least see this working. My god, why can't I see... I guess I can't replay that because it's not allowed, maybe? Save. Now we're getting 503. What is happening on the back end? Quite a bit, man. I can't sum it up. If I need help. But I'm still good. I'm still good. Actually, let me check and see. There really needs to be better security between the front end and back end. I know that. Still 503, right? I'm thinking it's getting to the wrong place. What is this? Did I ask about a 503 yet? Dang. I've been streaming for 9 hours today. Maybe. I don't know. What is this? Blah, 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 blah. I don't need to do any of that. No. No. No, 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 no. No. That's not right. Alright, well. Let's see what it's doing. So if I remove that completely right now, on, give me a second. So if I move that completely right now, it's going to, I'm not going to. It would, it would go back to being a 404 error. This takes those and it takes whatever's in the URL and it applies it to the localhost URL /$ over regular HTTP. Just regular old HTTP. That might be the issue. The shields of 503 not available. Let's see if our PM2 service is still running. So PM2 list. Okay, how do we kill the PM2 instances? Okay, let's do that. It's called index. All right. .503 still. Look, it's going through this port. It's not listening on that port. It's not listening on that port. I'm wondering if it should be listening on that port. Okay, well, let's try that. Alright, so we have it here, nano index.js, and it goes into process.env.port. So technically all we need to do is nano.env, and we create a port variable, and we want it to be port 443 like that. I don't know if we have to restart this process or not, but whatever. I'm gonna restart it anyway. I think that I have to do something else to that. I think it's not bound correctly or something. I don't know. gonna hard code it. I mean, why not? I'm gonna hard code a break. I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna just break it. Hold on. So let's break it. Broken. Didn't do anything. I'm thinking, hold on. Were we in public a second ago? If we were in public, it didn't work. Thank you. Is this the what you were talking about the other day? Ooh, thank you. Oh, gosh. That's good, thank you. Thank you. Huh? I don't know. Go to BritePEGS.com. Yeah, but it's you can't save yet. Oh god, now I can't unthink that. Oh well. Maybe we'll be able to pivot. I smell synergy. Love you. This is great. All right, love you. Bye. All right, that was my wife. She brought me this coconut drink. It's really good. A lot of calories, 160. Jeez. Well, whatever. A lot of sugar, a lot of fat. A lot of good fat, though. All right. What is this? Still getting service unavailable? I want to get something other than service unavailable. I must be missing something. I must be missing something. I can't figure out what it is. I can't figure out what it is. Might have to get up and run around and come back to this. Let's see. The only thing I've been able to successfully do as far as this goes is, hey, you know what? Shouldn't it say, like, running? Alright, well I guess let's look at these logs. I didn't think that these are the logs that I'm looking for. Oh, look. Hey, alright. It doesn't throw an error, it just fails. It just fails. Hey, that's good to know. It just fails. Alright. But that is good to know. So now let's fix this. I also don't have the MongoDB URI yet. But that's not the issue. Is that the issue? That could be the issue. But alright, no, I'm gonna... Oh, I know it'll work. I know. I know it'll work. Alright. Okay. Oh, excuse me, guys. This has been the longest stream of my entire life. Us ready. Thank you for subscribing. Sorry I didn't see sooner. You're probably not watching anymore, but that's alright. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, we don't see any of those logs. But that's gonna be it. Huh? That's why it can't start. Doesn't have a MongoDB URI. Huh? Why don't we add one in? Why don't we add one in? 3000 is the port that we want. We want port 3000. Alright, let's save that. I can't show you guys my DB connection string. Alright, it's taboo. Can't see it. So I gotta transition to this screen. And then you guys can't see it. But you can see my face. Alright, so I need to go find my own thing. I should have it just right here. There it is.